Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we want to look at the kilogram of the cat, the dog, and the rat. We've been given that the cat and the rat is 10 kg, the dog and the rat is 20 kg, and the cat and the dog is 24 kg. So let us solve this mathematically. Please open and let us see. Let's start with representation. Let's see represents cat. Let's R represents the rat, and the let's D represents the dog, such that from our first diagram that we have the cat and the rat, such that C, the cat, plus the rat is 10 kg. And from the second diagram that we have the dog and the rat, which is the dog plus the rat. They said it is 20 kg. So let us call this equation 1, while we call this equation 2. So from the third diagram, we have the dog and the cat. The dog plus the cat gives us 24. So let us call this equation 3. And then from the last diagram, we have the dog plus the cat plus the rat is unknown. So now from the first equation, let us make either of the cat or the rat the subject of the formula. So let's make R the subject here, such that we transfer C to the other side. Therefore, from equation 1, therefore R equals 10 minus C. We've transferred C from this side to this side. So let us call this equation 4. Now let us substitute equation 4 into equation 2. We have R here, so let us substitute into this equation so that we can get another value for this equation. Sub R in equation 2. Therefore D, so wherever we see R, this is what we are going to substitute. That is D plus 10 minus C equals 20. So let us solve this. This will now become, this is 10, let us take it to the other side. This becomes D minus C equals 20 minus 10. So D minus C equals 10. So let us call this equation 5. We stopped at equation 4. So now this becomes equation 5. If you look at it, equation 5 and equation 3 is two similar unknown. We are looking for D and C, and equation 5 is D and C. So let us combine. Let's combine equation 3 and equation 5 simultaneously, such that, yes, so let us write equation 3, that's D plus C equals 24, and D minus C equals 10. Now we can just eliminate either of the two, but it is easy to eliminate C by adding the two equations together. Therefore this becomes D plus D, that is 2D. D plus minus C, that is eliminated. So 24 plus 10, that gives us 34. So from here D equals 34 divided by 2, and that gives us 17. Now we've gotten the value for D, so we can substitute D into any of these equations so that we can get another value. So let us substitute D into equation 5. Let's substitute D into equation 5. So equation 5 is D minus C equals 10. So our D is 17. That is 17 minus C equals 10. If we take 17 to the other side, that is minus C equals 10 minus 17, which is minus 7. So C equals 7. Now we've gotten the value of C to be 7, D to be 7. So let us solve for R. Substitute C into equation 4. Sub C into equation 4. Our equation 4 says R equals 10 minus C, and C is 7. So R equals 3. So finally R equals 3, C equals 7, and D equals 17. So to find the kg, the kilogram of the fourth diagram, that is 3 plus 7 plus 17, and that gives us 27. That is 27 kg. Let us check if we are very correct. D plus C, that is R, that's give us 10. The first equation, C plus R, that's 10. C plus R, that's 10. D plus R, that's 20. D plus R, that's 20. D plus C, that's 24. D plus C, that's 24. So D plus C plus R equals 27. So thank you very much. If you have any question regarding this problem that was just solved, or you have any problem that you are given as an homework, please put it in the comment section. I will definitely attend to it. Till I see you next time, thank you very much. Please remember to subscribe to this channel. It goes a long way to help my cause. Thank you, and thank you, and thank you.